Hey guys, what up? I'm Jin, and today I'm gonna perform a 4x4 Rubik's Cube solve. Alright, here we go. It's fixed. I'm gonna mix it up right now. Oh, it's officially mixed. I'm not a pro, so yeah, no hate comments, please. Here we go.
Using gentle words to shelter me. Your words were like a dream, but dreams could never fool me. Not that easily. I acted so distant then, didn't say goodbye before you left, but I was listening. You'll fight your battles far from me, far too easily. Save your tears, 'cause I'll come back. I could hear that you whispered as you walked through that door, but still I swore to hide the pain. When I turned back the pages, shouting might have been the answer. What if I'd cried my eyes out and begged you not to depart? But now I'm not afraid to say what's in my heart. A thousand words have never been spoken. They'll fly to you, crossing over with time and distance, holding you suspended on silver wings. And a thousand words, 1,000 confessions will cradle you, making all of the pain you feel seem far away. They'll hold you forever. The dream isn't over yet, though I often say I can't forget. I still relive that day. You've been there with me all the way. I still hear you say, wait for me, I'll write you letters. I could see how you stammered with your eyes to the floor, but still I swore to hide the doubt. When I turned back the pages, anger might have been the answer. What if I'd hung my head and said that I couldn't wait? But now I'm strong enough to know it's not too late. 'Cause 1,000 words call out through the ages. They'll fly to you, even though I can see. I know they're reaching you.
我見到你面，真係一個又唔想轉外邊。你好靚，你咁樣好靚。我見到你笑樣，成世界停，因為女人你好靚。真係